What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video we're actually going to be going out to CarMax to get my truck appraised and see how much they give me for it. So you know, for the people that don't know, CarMax is actually known to lowball and give very little money for people's trade-ins. In today's case, we're not trading it in, we're just gonna see how much they're willing to give me for it. Obviously, I have a ton of mods done to the truck, and you know, some people think, you know, if I put $10,000 into my vehicle, it should up the value of it $10,000, but we know it doesn't work like that. Usually a stock vehicle is gonna be worth a lot more to them than a modified one. So my truck on Car Gurus or any other site, it's usually around $30,000. I have about $15,000 into my truck, and I honestly don't think I'm even gonna get half of that. But CarMax actually buys anything, you know, even if it has a rebuilt title, a salvage title, even if it's wrecked, anything. Apparently, they buy anything and they make it super simple and easy. So we're gonna go get it appraised, see how much they're willing to give me for it, and we're about to head out. So just a quick rundown on what my truck has done to it. It has 24x14 American Force Lucky wheels on 35 1350 amp attack tires. It's got a 6-inch Pro Comp lift. The whole truck, the front and the rear bumpers have been color matched. I just recently painted these tails color matched too. A lot of people didn't like them, but I absolutely love them. I have pods in the rear bumper as well as pods in the front bumper as fog lights. Like I said, it has a 6-inch Pro Comp lift with Fox shocks with the reservoirs, and I also have a dual steering stabilizer. I have headlights built by Primo Dynamic, and I have a 13 style honeycomb grill on my truck, and these are the pods that I was talking about. So it's not too much, you know, it's kind of mild, but we're gonna take it, see how much they appraised and how much they're willing to give me for it, and I don't know, we might mess around and trade it in today. But we're about to head out guys, and let's go. So we're on the way. My truck, usually you can find it on Car Gurus or cars, like the apps and stuff like that, for around $30,000 stocked, and then I have around $15,000 put into the truck. Obviously, I'm not even gonna get close to that, but I'd be lucky if I even got $20,000 for it. So let's hope we get lucky, and I'll pick you guys back up when we get there. Actually, for the people that have seen my last YouTube video where I dynoed my truck at Rod Run in Tennessee, you would see that I bumped into that one silver Cummins on the way there, and it turns out she actually lives in my town. Her name's Haley, and the thing is super duper nice. It made 600 horsepower. I just think it's funny that I bumped into her while I'm filming another YouTube video, so make sure to go follow her guys. I'll leave her name on the screen. Woo! Yeah! CarMax, the auto superstore. Not, but in all realness, if you guys are looking to buy a car, check them out. Sell a car, I don't know so much about that, but we're gonna go in, go to the front lobby and get this thing checked out and see what they tell me. So it should be very eventful, exciting, and let's see what happens.
2 hours later.
So I just went on the test run with the guy. I asked him if I was gonna be able to record him. He was like, no, you know, CarMax won't let us. And he was in love with the truck. He just kept asking me a whole bunch of questions. He's like, does it do that one thing where it rolls coal and blows black smoke? And I was like, yeah, it does. Go ahead and step on it if you want. He didn't do it, you know. I wanted him to, but he was like, oh no, I don't want to break nothing. But he was in love with the truck. But overall, the dude was very cool. We're gonna wait about 10 minutes to get the appraisal sheet, and you know, it is what it is. Like I said, I don't think I'm gonna get a lot, but the guy said he's in love with the truck. He actually told me himself that I was better off going and selling it on my own, like on Craigslist or something, because due to the mods, you know, they're not gonna give me too much. He's like, but the truck is awesome, man. He's like that. Apparently they get a lot of these every day, so it is what it is. And he told me that they actually can't sell it on the lot due to all the mods and aftermarket things that it has done to it, but that they would actually have to ship it off to an auction and sell it there. We're gonna go back inside, wait on the sheet, and I'll keep you updated. All right, guys, we've done left CarMax now. We got the appraisal price sheet right here. Dude, the guys were so honest with me. They were like, you know, it's better if you just sell it on your own or something. He's like, I'd hate for you to sell us that truck for that price. So I mean, you know, shout out to them guys. You know, they were like mad honest with it, but it was funny to me either way. But I got the appraisal. It says it's good for 7 days. You guys let me know if I should do it or not. I'm not too sure yet, but there it is, $12,000. Honestly, there's no way I would even consider trading it in, selling it, whatever to them. It was more just for laughs, fun, and giggles. But the guys, like I said, they were mad honest with me. They're like, don't do it, you know, just keep the truck. It was like, if I was you, I'd just drive that thing until the motor blew and then put another one in it and then keep driving it. But man, it was good times. It's funny. It is what it is. But I'm gonna finish off the video here. I don't have too much more to say or do. I'm just gonna go get some lunch and then head home. But thank you guys once again for watching the video. Drop a like, you know, like it if you thought it was funny. Leave a comment on what you thought about it, and you know, if it was what you thought it was gonna be. Make sure to subscribe if it's your first time dropping in. You know, we're new, we're growing, but we have new content coming to you every Tuesday. If you want to see more truck related videos like this or anything similar, subscribe. We have a lot more to come, and see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.